You don't need a six-figure salary. I've watched $38,000 builders and $150,000 losers. The difference? It wasn't the income. What's actually stopping you? Most people say, I don't make enough. I hear you, but here's the truth. Income is not the problem. Margin is the problem. New car, nicer apartment, better restaurants, hedonic adaptation. That's the trap. Here are 5 steps that work on any income. The first bill you pay every month is to yourself. Not the rent, not the car note. The moment your paycheck hits, before anything else, move money to savings. Even $25, you don't wait to see what's left. There's never anything left. Most people save what they don't spend. That's backwards. Spend what you don't save. Name it something that means something. Freedom Fund. Future me. Out of sight, out of mind, into wealth. In the last 12 months, have your expenses gone up faster than your income? Subscriptions go up. The grocery cart gets fuller. Weekends get fancier. That $3,000 raise becomes a $4,000 lifestyle increase. You're actually more broke. Keep 50% of raises before your lifestyle can touch it. If lifestyle eats every raise, you're running in place forever. You don't need to pick stocks. You don't need to watch CNBC, S&P 500. Put in $200 a month. Now watch what happens. $400,000, that's compound interest. That's the whole game. $50 in consistency. That's it. That's the whole game. If this helped, hit like. Subscribe to join the family starting today. Biggest lie? Discipline alone will save you. Nope, wrong. It won't. We all have bad weeks. You rationalize. Sometimes it just happens. Set up automatic transfers. Don't rely on remembering. It'll just happen. You don't even have to think about it. 3-step automated system. Simple, repeatable, very powerful. Build wealth on autopilot. Set it and let it grow. This is a mindset decision. The decision changes everything. Remember, your future starts now, today. Now go make it a great day.